What's going on, y'all? Back with another video. So I got a question from a viewer that asked, is water puddling inside of this bay? Whether that's from a car wash or from rain. So we're gonna go ahead and test and see if water goes down into this vent section, does it actually expel or does it sit? Let's find out. So here you can see if water is hitting this particular section of the car, you can see down there are spots for the water to escape. So my guess is this vehicle was engineered in a way that water is not going to stay puddling in this section. So let's go ahead and close this down. And as you can see, this is the section that water is going to hit. You can see that opening right there. So my assumption is the water should be able to escape. All right, so here we go. We're going to pour the water down into the vent and we're going to see what happens here. So as you can see, the water, it came out. It's draining out right now as we speak. It's draining out right now as we speak. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go to the other side and let's pour in and see what happens. And there you have it, a puddle of water. So for any of the owners that's having water staying in the Bay Area, not California Bay Area, holla at your boy. So yeah, for anybody who's got water that's puddling in the front bay, I'm not sure exactly what's driving that, but as far as I can see, this car was designed in a way that even though the vents are pretty big, the water will escape from the vent area. So as you can see, we tested this theory and water did actually escape out of the Bay Area per its design. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one.